Pandas, 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 pandas. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday, Monday, Monday. We're back live at it again. Pandas! Hope you had an amazing weekend. Markets just open. Here we go. Panda, panda, pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Goodness gracious. I'm bye money. We're back here live at it again. Everything all day. An absolute trash price action. Goodness gracious, can you believe it? Can you believe it? Can price action be so bad? I never thought it could, but it is. Could price action ever be this bad? Jeez Louise. Trying to fill the gap here. Gap is filled. Let's see what happens here. Complete trading range overnight. Pandas. Daily chart. Pretty much opening where we close. Weekly, same thing. Strong bull bar on the weekly chart. I just marked the all-time highs on all my charts here. I thought I did. Hello. All-time high. Just marking the all-time highs everywhere I go. Decent push down. I think we're going to have shenanigans today. We have big news coming up most of the days of this week. Not today, and also I believe Wednesday we won't have news, but every other day we'll have some big news. Yeah. Big news on Tuesday, which is tomorrow, core CPI. Thursday, core PPI. And Friday, core retail and prelim U of M. All pretty big news events. High impact news. Let's get it. Drop those GMs in the chat. Scalp that like button if you haven't already. Kevin Mack, good morning. Blue Steel, welcome. Luis, good morning. All right. Good morning. Good Monday morning. That's what we can call that. Pablo Escobar. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. We're just letting this shake out a little bit. I already know it's going to be shenanigans for a little bit. Just let it shake out. Let it shake out just a little bit. You know how many pandas? Lower highs, lower lows currently. I see trading range currently, but we shall see. The 5-minute creates an outside. Oh, the 5-minute creates an outside bar. We could try to fill these gaps below. Why not? We're still in trading range according to the 5-minute chart. Could hit the bottom trading range. Why not? Sit in my pause. Can we make some bamboo today, please? That's all I ask for. Just want some green today. Is it too much to ask for, pandas? Just want some green today. Jeez Louise. Overnight lows being tested here. The London session. London session is from what? 3 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's the London session. You can see pretty much around 3 a.m. is when we got this big price action. Asia is 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. Something like that. You're thinking it's going to test the overnight lows. It's making a beeline to it. It's going to do it all first entries, perhaps. Are we getting a second entry here? Perhaps. No idea. Bad signal bar. I was thinking if it made a good signal bar, we had some credence to go short here. Test the lows here. But this is popping back up. The 5 minutes just absolutely just shenanigans right now. Let's let the second bar finish on the 5 minute chart. I'd like to see that. This could be a good short. Could be a decent short to take, actually. I don't like how close this is triggering a trap here, though. It gets close to triggering a trap, but doesn't actually. Okay. I think I'll take a short here. If it pushes back down. I'll try here, pandas. Uh-oh. That's not good. It'd be nice if we can make some bamboo today. I would love that. Wouldn't you? Pandas, wouldn't you love to make some bamboo today for once? I know I would. Second entry short coming off our trend line and 20 MA on a downtrend. I think it was worth a shot. Signal bar not the worst. Risk very small. It's not the worst trade. And we got like lows to test here. It's not the worst trade, but now it's getting very sus. Jeez Louise. Come up break even if I wanted to. The risk is so small, I don't mind losing this. Okay. Fair enough. If I lose, I lose. At this point, it's like 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row. Making it 50-50. Most likely we'll lose it here. Yeah, there it is. I don't know. I thought it was a good trade. Good enough for me to try. I'm coming back down. I'm not sure what that means. Okay. Clearly above the 20 MA. Now the 20 MA is acting as some sort of support here. Let's see. It's going back and forth. A little tug of war right now. I don't mind if I lose this. Such a small risk for decent reward here. All right, we'll take the hit. Of course, of course. Solid loss. Decent entry though. All right. You get coming off our trend line. Second entry short beneath the 20 MA. And it's also a second push down right, creating a micro double top here. I don't mind that trade. I don't mind losing it. I think it's a fine trade. I could have came out break even one time here. But I want to let it cook. The 5 minute completely reverses where we're completely within the range of the first 5 minute chart. So for our first 5 minute candle, just retraces the whole thing here. Beautiful. It's all good. We'll take that hit. I think it was worth it. That trade, I don't like hate it. I actually thought it was an okay trade. Looking to get the new lows here, but maybe I should have been a little more patient, wait for that first 5 minute candle to finish. But sorry, that second 5 minute candle to finish. Now it's like kind of blatant that this is Shenanigans here. Look at that. Look at that. Just completely overlapping bars. Pandas. They're just GMs in the chat. I mean, pandas, seriously. I'm about to end this stream. If the price action is due to Kaka, I'm going to end the stream in 30 minutes. I don't even care, pandas. Like, for me, it's not even worth streaming. It's not even worth trading. So, pandas, why stream it? It's just such bad price action. And today, I pretty much expect it to be bad because we got news tomorrow. And usually the day before news, it's just absolute trash due to Kaka. Diarrhea, you know what I mean? Tate, good morning. Sure, why not? More doo-doo Kaka here. Don't mind if I do. What in the world? Looks bearish. Looks bearish. Lots of dojis, lots of overlapping bars, lots of bear bars, actually. Okay. Let's dance. Let's see what we get here. Another bear bar. It's sinking, pandas. It's sinking. Lower highs and lower lows. Is that what we're getting here? 5 minute completely overlapping bars. Won't be surprised if that happens. We got what? 4 bear bars in a row now? It looks bearish. Whoa, ends up bullish. Now we're in this trade. No clue what's going to happen. Okay. I'm expecting more shenanigans. Okay, we got strong bull bar. We're going to hold this one. We got strong bull bar ending on its high. So we're going to hold this because hopefully that means we're going to get some follow through. We're going to let this cook a little bit, shall we? Shall we let this cook a little bit? I mean, you got a strong bull bar ending on its high like that. Decent push up. I mean, let's let it run.
Target filled.
Okay, I'll take it. Easy peasy. I mean, it's still going up, so just let it cook. Let it cook. I mean, this is such a strong bull bar, bull trend right now. I have no reason to think it's going to reverse right now. I mean, it's just no signs of reversal. This is a monster move. We possibly could have caught a
2500 tick trap.
nice trend here. I took one out at what? How many points is that? 20 points. I knew shenanigans was like this going to happen, so I just, took it out. Made a little bit more than I would. I would have taken one out at the first reversal because shenanigans, pandas, every single day. It's just shenanigans every single day. I mean, we could hold this. No problem holding this. I don't mind. I mean, you might as well hold it. At least swing trade it. Let's swing this, you know what I mean, Pandas? I would like to set up a fail second just short on the 2500 tick chart. You see about a form here. It's going to be a beautiful setup to launch this to the upside, right? Because we got a trading range here. So what potentially could happen is we got the reversal and it could just at least get to the top. That's what you want. At least test the top of the trading range on a very good setup like this. There's strong bull bars, any on their highs. Tries to trigger the second entry short. So we get the failure. Can we get it? Could be a triangle. Failure here. I mean, I gotta try, right? I gotta try here. In my opinion. Oh, second entry long. I should already be going long here, coming off our trend line and 20 MA. Beautiful signal bar, too. I'm going to try this. We're in 2 now.
2500 tick trap.
Okay. Doesn't go very far. I mean, trend line and 20 MA, beautiful signal bar. I got to try. I mean, that looks good, Pandas. That looks very good. We're going to go along again here. I think this is still juicy. Not with the outside bar reversal. Skipping on the outside bar reversal, we're already in the trade. I'm not going to risk it on the outside bar reversal. What I can do here is come out break even, right? Because I had a runner here. So this would actually be a break even though I'm in 2 contracts. Let's get a nice push up to trigger that fail second entry short. I'll take it, Pandas. I'll take it here. I love this move. Absolutely loving this move. Get me a new high, please. At the very least, get me a new high. That's all I'm asking for. Okay. Yuck. 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 You hate to see that. Just yuck. You hate to see that, Pandas. I'm going heavy here. Let's get it. Let's get it, Pandas.
2500 tick trap.
Terrible signal bar here. I hope it doesn't take me out. It's a darn shame if it does. Darn shame that it does. Well, what do you know, Pandas? Well, what do you know? It takes me out. How fun is that? How absolute fun is that? Okay. Takes me out, then pushes up. It's just so stupid. So dumb. So stupid. Takes me out, then pushes back up. It's so stupid. Whatever. Whatever, Pandas. I don't care. It is what it is. We're going to test the weekly close here. And if we don't make it, we don't make it. Shenanigans. Like, I got to try on the fail second short on the 2500 tick chart. I mean, it looks juicy. Right, coming off from the bottom of the trading range back to the top of the trading range is what I'm hoping for. At 2500 tick chart, we're trying to get back to the top of the trade. We do have this trend line in the way, actually. So it could bounce off this trend line, just be a big old reversal. But I still like the fact that we're in trading range coming back to the top. That's what I'm favoring more here. So stupid. It takes me out and then it comes back up. It's just the dumbest thing ever. Whatever, Pandas. We're in this trade. So stupid. So stupid. So many overlapping bars in a row now. Strong bull bar forming on the 5-minute chart looks like. This could be always in long trading. If we get a nice close, it could be always in long. I would love that. It'll help my premise out a lot. Let's see if we get a nice push up here. If we don't, we don't. It is what it is. I mean, it's just trash price action every single day for the rest of our lives, isn't it, pandas? Trash price action for the rest of our lives. Goodness gracious. I mean, nice trend line. 20 EMA going up. Just clear targets above with the trading range. Big trading range coming from below. Nice setup on the 2500 tick chart. I just feel like I got to try here and hold this risk. How big's this risk? 16 points. A little bigger than I like it, but it is what it is. A little more risk than I like. Could just create a triangle here. It is bouncing off of this trend line, so it could just come back down to the bottom triangle. And it could be pure shenanigans today, right? Because tomorrow's news, we just don't have any movement today, and that's what it is. I mean, if I lose, I lose here. But I'm gonna hold the risk that you need to hold here in order for this to work out, and I'm gonna let it play out. I'm gonna let it cook, pandas. Let it cook. You know what I mean, pandas? I think it's worth it. I think this setup's worth letting it cook. I'm trying to use shenanigans for me to think we're going to come back to the top of a trading range. But the shenanigans working against me. We're coming back into the triangle. Shenanigans all around, man. Shenanigans all around here. Again, I can come out break even here, but we're going to let it cook. At this point, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row. The 500 tick chart's all over the place at the moment. Does this feel like strong trend? It does not. This feels wacky. Definitely that trigger. I'm going to hold it. This feels like I just short. I'm going to hold it. At least for the new high. I mean, we haven't moved. We haven't budged here yet. So letting it cook. Letting it cook. Okay. Definitely want to hold it with the fails like I just short triggering here. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. But I feel like I have more reason to hold it. Still above 20 MA. Still above our trend line. There's a lot of reasons to hold still. Hold. It looks sus though. It looks sus with every single tick. It looks more and more sus. Instead of looking less sus, it looks more and more sus with every tick. Which is what you hate. Don't want that. It's unfortunate here. Pushing up here again, more susness. Super sus going on here. Just let it cook. Let it cook, yeah. It's gonna take me out. If it breaks this low, I bet you it'll take me out. It's a high chance it takes me out. It's gonna flush here. Unfortunate. It just looked more and more sus after every single tick. I don't know. But the setup looks so good, pandas. I gotta just try. I gotta hold appropriate risk here for this trade to work out. And sometimes you pay the price, and today I'm paying it. It's all good. At the moment this low broke, I felt like I was gonna flush, and exactly what it's doing. It's flushing now. It's gonna just take my stop out. But it's unfortunate. Super unfortunate. Super unfortunate, right? Such a good setup, but the trend line blocking me, coming back to the bottom triangle. It is what it is. Shenanigans today. Honestly, I should just be trading micros at this point. Vujal did the opposite of me. Congrats. I mean, I knew shenanigans today because of the news tomorrow. We're just in this triangle. We're just in this triangle right now. Whatever. It's all good. We got 3 bull bars on the 5-minute chart, but look at they're like overlapping. Pretty much overlapping. This is an inside bar here. Do I have the
2500 tick trap.
cojones to try this? I don't think so. I mean, it's right at the triangle, but I bet you this will break out. This is where it breaks out here. You're thinking it'll probably come back to the bottom of the triangle at this point. At this rate, probably bottom of the triangle, right? Going in and out of the 20 MA. Dumb trade, but it's the second entry long. I'll try. Just one contract. Shooting for the stars. Fails second entry long here. Ooh, this might be a good short.
Five-minute trap.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bull bars in a row. Darn. We're back at the top of the triangle. Can we break through it? Going in long here. Strong bull bars ending on their highs. I mean, they're gonna let this cook, which is unfortunate. So much risk on this trade. I hate it. So much risk on this trade right here. I think I come up break even. It's not worth the risk. It really is not worth the risk. How much am I willing to lose here? I'll lose what, 500. It is what it is. I'll lose 500. It's fine. Multiple bull bars in a row, no pullbacks yet. This is a strong uptrend currently. Strong uptrend currently. Will it last on a day like today? Probably not. On a day like today, probably not. But it's all good. We'll try. We're risking 500 here. Risking 500 to hopefully make 1,000. That's the idea, right? High or low. Hopefully strong bull bar on a 5-minute chart closes on its high. We just get amazing follow through. That's just like, that would be the dream today. I don't think it's going to happen though. Lots of back and forth now. Losing our momentum here in this uptrend. Losing a lot of momentum here. We'd like this to push up, but it is struggling to push up now. It is struggling to push up right now. I still have hope. If we have a strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart, I have incredible hope we can really push up. If a strong close on the 5-minute chart, we have really good hope this could push up here. Really strong. Really strong. Let's get a strong close on the 5-minute chart. That's what I'm looking for right now. Strong close on the 5-minute chart. I'm thinking this might explode. I'm already in 2 contracts, so I don't need to go in more, but this seems like the reasonable trade to take here. Strong bull bar ending on its high, 5-minute chart, always in long. Come on, always in long. Please, always in long. What in the world is this follow through? Can we not get any more follow through for the rest of our lives? We're never gonna get follow through again the rest of our lives, pandas. We will never get follow through once again. Nah, never get follow through. Can we get strong? Can we get follow through after a strong bull bar for once? Is it possible? Are those days over, pandas? Are those days over? Goodness gracious, are those days over? Just one time, please. Give me some nice follow through after a strong bull bar. Just one time, please. Pretty please. One time. No strong move. In fact, it's reversing. That's a bad sign. When you're supposed to get strong follow through, but instead you reverse. Typically, bad sign, right? Typically don't want that. Typically. But we shall see, fans. We're going to let this cook a little bit more. We still are risking 500 to make 1,000 here. We're risking 500 to make a K. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, I would love a break above this candle high. That might propel us with the trap. I would love that move. It can't break a previous candle's high. I'm about to concede here. We can't even break this candle's high here. Like, we are just stuck. We're reversing, aren't we? Like, the market's going to reverse hard here. Jeez. Darn. Oh, pandas, how frustrating is this? I mean, I just want one bar of strong follow through, right? Like the 5-minute, super strong bull bar ending on its high. I just want something of follow through with these strong bull bars. But today, is it the day? I don't think so. Today's just not the day. We finally got a little pushback up off the 20 MA. I mean, I'll take that. I'll take whatever I can get at this point. If it does push back down here, I don't know if I want to stick around and find out, right? We're completely sideways now. Super choppy. But we're above the 20 MA, which is good news. For me, at least, for now. I think I'm coming out break even here. If it does break the low here, I'm just uncertain, Panda. It's just crazy uncertain what's happening here. Uncertainty. At this point, if we break this low, like, you just don't know. You just don't know what's going to happen. Right? You just want this to keep going up. But when it does this completely sideways, it's kind of lost all its momentum here. Clearly above the 20 MA. I think my break even is far enough from the price action to give me enough room to push up. If this is truly going to push up here, hopefully it'll give me enough room. Hopefully, but man, oh man, this is looking sus. Looking very sus, right? No strong follow through after that super strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. That's all you want is some follow through on this bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute. You just want some follow through, and you gotta let it cook. Right? When you get a bull bar like this, personally, pandas, I gotta let it cook. I gotta let it cook a little bit because it is more likely it'll go up, in my opinion, than down with a strong bull. Whoa! Oh my goodness, pandas. We are still in this trade miraculously. I do not know how we survived that like super strong push down. We're still in this trade. Hopefully that was manipulation. Hopefully all the bulls are in now. And hopefully we can trap some bears here. I mean, that is the hope. Pandas, one time, please. One time! No times ever, pandas. We don't get anything. No joy. Super strong bull bar, any on high. No follow through whatsoever. That is just how every day it is. Every single day. Welcome to trading, pandas. Thanks for joining. That's what we're all about right now. Absolute no follow through. Absolute no trends. Complete chop. Pandas. That's how we're doing it. That is just every single day. Absolute trash. Price action. Welcome to trading. Thanks for joining my stream. I'm glad you are here to enjoy my suffering here. This is just Just shenanigans every single day. Why am I surprised? I do not know. Why am I upset? I do not know. Like that should be expected at this point. Completely expected. Terrible price action. I mean, that's at this point the expectation, isn't it, Pandas? Isn't that the expectation at this point? Goodness gracious. It's the expectation at this point. Goodness, look at this 5-minute candle. I mean, you're like, let's launch here. Fails again at just short. Just a super strong bull bar and just gets completely folded. Whoo! Gotta love it. You gotta love this price action. I'm certainly enjoying it. Just keeping me, just keeping me on my toes. I mean, it came out break even, right? The worst that could happen came out break even. That's all it is, Pandas. We'll move on. We're alive still. We just came out break even. I mean, whatever, Pandas. Like daylight today, I'll take it. Whatever. Jeez Louise. I mean, the 5-minute strong bear bar ending near its low, folded again. So I'm not surprised. Maybe that's just gone long with limit orders at the bottom of this bar. Maybe that's the game we're playing here. I mean, if it's another strong bull bar, do I just go short like just the insane madman who just went short here? Do I just go short on the super strong bull bar here? Sure, why not? What in the world? Why not? It's got super choppy. More choppy it got, the more sus it got. Absolutely ridiculous here. You gotta love it though, Panis, right? You gotta love it. Keep you on your toes, you know what I mean, Panis? Keeping us on our tippity toes. I don't even care what happens here. I already know what today is gonna be. Shenanigans. Like I should stop trading. Is the volume high? Check. Panis! What in the world? I mean, coming right back up, right? Of course, take me out break even. If
5-minute
I held
trap.
my original risk, my $500 risk, I would still be okay. I mean, the 5-minute getting folded every single bar. Getting folded every single bar here. It is what it is, man. Like, if the 5-minute getting folded like that every single bar, honestly, is it today the right day to trade? Is today really the right day to trade? Feels like I just short here. Do I like it? I just don't like anything. I don't like anything, Pandas. I'm pretty sure every setup is gonna fail today. It's just one of those days. I'm pretty certain like every setup's gonna fail today. I think the lesson is, Pandas, we're just gonna scalp. We're just gonna have to scalp today. Today's the scalper's day. Like if we get a big move, just scalp. Get in and out on the market here. And if you're gonna look for like targets, you gotta hold very strong, wide stops. It's just one of those days. Feels like I just short reverses. I'm gonna lose this trade. I'm basically playing off the fact that we bounced off this trend line 3 times, and now we take a fail second to short, continuous uptrend. That's what I'm seeing. Uh, Nothing else really. We're above the 20 MA. That's all I'm seeing right now. And if we lose, we lose. But I like the trade. I like the setup. I like the fact that we are still in uptrend. I want to make a new
5-minute
high here if
trap.
we can. But if we can't, it is what it is. Our lives will go on, pandas. Let's just say that. Our lives will just go on simply. Is that not the truth, pandas? We will live to see another day. Is that not the truth, pandas? I could dream. But at least a new high, right? A little better than a 1-to-1. Sean Bolvar ending on its high. A little snap up. I'll take it out at the first reversal. I'll take it out at the first reversal. Otherwise, we'll hold. I'll take it out at the first reversal. Otherwise, we hold. Today's just a scalping day. Nice push up. We still haven't had a reversal yet. We still haven't broken a previous candle's low yet. Still haven't broken a previous candle's low. I'm just waiting till we break a previous candle's low, pandas. Okay. Maybe not. Maybe I'll wait till it breaks another previous candle's low. Give me 2 bear bars in a row, I'm out. Alright, pretty strong bear move here. Goodness gracious, pandas. I am paying the price for being greedy here. For thinking we would get follow through on this massive bull bar on the 2500 tick chart. I'm being punished because I think we're going to actually have follow through today. Pandas. This is my kryptonite here. With no days with absolute zero follow through and super strong bull bars. I just get absolutely bewildered on days like today. Today's no different, pandas. Today's no different. We'll take a swing trade here. Sure, why not? We'll take a little swinger. Little swingaroo. Either get stopped out, break even, or we'll make a new high and I'll raise my stop loss. That's the only 2 options right now, pandas. I mean, I should have scalped it. What am I thinking? We're coming out break even here. I don't know if it's good enough, though, on a day like today. With lots of overlapping bars, coming out break even is your worst enemy at this point. Second entry long. Sure, why not? Don't be an outside bar reversal. Outside bar reversal, no thank you. But it's a second entry long. Triggers, hit a second entry long. Reverses right away. It's so stupid. It is what it is, though. It's so stupid, but it is what it is. It's so dumb, but it is what it is. Am I gonna stop that after a huge push up? Of course. The answer is of course. It's not am I. The answer is of course I'm gonna get stopped out. Why wouldn't I on a day like today? Like I already called it today's shenanigans. Like why am I even trying to hit the obvious previous week's close? Why am I trying to get to the obvious key areas? Why would I ever think that the market will go to the obvious key areas? Like how stupid am I? Like why would I ever think the market will ever get to the obvious key areas? Like that is the dumbest thing to ever do when trading. Like don't ever think the market will ever go to the obvious key areas. It's a stupid idea. Dumbest idea ever. Why would you ever think that? You gotta be the dumbest trader in the world to ever consider that will actually hit key areas with massive bull bars going up to it. Like why would you ever think that?
2500 tick
You
trap.
must be the dumbest person ever. I'll come out break even here. I don't even care. If it takes out break even, that is what it is. We're in a big position here for contract. Let's see if we can at least move up without retracing all the way back down. But on low volume days, aren't retracements like marquee of absolute chop days like today? Isn't the market supposed to retrace and take out every single trader? Isn't that what is supposed to happen? You know what I mean, Pandas? Like because the volume's so
2500
low,
tick trap.
the institutions need to keep going back to their entries to keep reloading. Isn't that not the case, Pandas? Is that not the case? Like, isn't that what's supposed to? They keep going back to the original entries, so they can keep reloading at that original entry. That's why we get a lot of retracements on low volume days. We're holding this, Pandas. We got a failed second entry long here, and we are dead again. You gotta absolutely love this price action, no? I love it. Coming out break even again on my trade. I absolutely adore this price action. I wish I can just frame it. I mean, it's just for the just in case, Pandas, that this reverses really far down. I'll come out break even. I mean, it is what it is. It's just disgusting. Every single day, Pandas. Like, look at this bar here. And you're at the bottom of a trading range. Break out this triangle, breakout retest, clear area above to test. And now we're launching. Now we launch after it takes me out. Break even. I mean, that's why I said low volume days, Pandas. Low volume days. Like, the institution needs to keep retracing it no matter what. They have to retrace it a lot because they need to keep refilling in these areas. So they cannot really push up until big retracements. Right? They have a clear target in mind, the institutions, but they can't get it until they have to keep on refilling at the original entries, basically like this, right? Pretty much original entry here. I mean, Pandas, it's just one of those days. Like I cannot come out break even on any trade. Like every break even got taken out. Every single break even has been taken out so far, but I've been right about the uptrend, and like we probably hit these key areas now. But Pandas is like, if you keep retracing like that on me, it's just, like it's hard for me to build on anything. Hoo-wee! Pandas! Can we not retrace one time? Can we actually get some sort of breakout today? Can we get some follow through on strong bull bars? Just once in our life, please. One time, jeez. Just, alright, whatever I'm trying here. I don't care. Panda, I'm just... At this point, Panda's like, what are we doing here? What are we doing here, actually? What are we actually doing here? I mean, just it's a one-to-one trade. It's whatever. I mean, it's probably the first trade I'm going to make bamboo on. If I can. Even if maybe I can't. This is so dumb, Pandas. I mean, like... the moment it takes me out, right? Basically, the moment it retraces, that's when it shoots up, Pandas. That's when it actually... Whew. Whew. It is what it is, though. High or low. It might not even touch it. Like, it might not even hit it. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't hit it.
Target filled.
We finally made some bamboo on the dumbest trade ever. Like, I wanted this whole move up, pandas, but I couldn't get it. Takes me out break even right here with a fail second entry long. Just look at this day, pandas. Look at what we're dealing with here. What is this nonsense? So dumb. Actually, good trade here. Such a good trade. Actually, such a good trade. What in the world, pandas? Second entry long fails here, though. Along the way up. I mean, it's just super unfortunate, you know? Another super strong bull bar on a 5-minute chart. Don't expect any follow through on that. It's the dumbest thing ever, but it is what it is. It just looks so stupid. Look at this price. The price action looks just. Hooey! Better days ahead. That's all I can say, pandas. Better days ahead. We're only down 303, but it's just the price action is so frustrating. It keeps taking me out. Keeps taking me out. Keeps taking me out break even every single breakout. It's insane. And
2500 tick trap.
Like, for me, I think it's worth coming out break even on my trades. Partially because, like, how heavy I'm in. Like, I was in 4 contracts. And I wanted to come out break even. You know, we have strong moves up. We have a lot of reasons. There's a lot of follow through. But the retracements are too much because the low volume. Low volume days creates a lot of retracements. Again, because the institutions have a goal, some targets, and they're gonna keep buying until they hit that target, and they'll just keep buying after deep retracements. Right? That's how they keep loading up. They're like, oh, thank you. They're actually thankful that the deep retracements are happening, because as they happen, that means they can reload at the cheap price that they originally wanted. Otherwise, they cannot be in their full position before hitting their target. So that's why these low volume days, pandas, it's just. It is what it is. Knowledge helps. I should put my stop a little further. I mean, I didn't want to FAFO here on a fail second entry long. The fail second entry long here triggering could push this all the way back down because of how many overlapping bars we have. This couldn't retrace all. This can retrace all the way back down. We're just basically at the top of a trading range. This can come all the way back down. Like, this doesn't mean much to me right now. It truly does not. It actually means nothing to me. So many retracements. Oh, wow. Retracements are so deep. Goodness gracious. I don't know, pandas. I mean, tomorrow, hopefully, we'll have better price action, right? Like, the market today is waiting for news tomorrow. It is what it is.
2500 tick trap.
YL. I'm going to the gym to get some free water. Oh. Hard for me to take a trade here because of the obvious trading range we're in. We're hitting 1, 2. This is the 3rd hit, and we're getting a rejection off of it. I basically drew my trend line here, but we're basically just hit the previous week's high. Are we gonna be able to break through it today? I don't know, pandas. Maybe. We might be able to. It breaks out. Then like deep retracement back here. Almost perfect retracement. Can't even go anywhere. Breaks out. The retracement you're thinking should be somewhere down here, but actually retraces to up here. So that's actually a stronger move up. I really wouldn't be surprised if we get a full-blown reversal here. Because of today's price action, look at the 5-minute chart. This is not indicative of a strong bull trend. There's a lot of overlapping bars, lots of deep retracements, lots of chop. It is going up though, Panda, so I'm just, this could be secretly a strong uptrend, but it's just hard to tell. We are making higher highs and higher lows, what can I say? Nirvana trader, what do I think about trading micros? I mean, I might as well at this point. I might as well change the micros here. Just do the opposite of every single bar. Feels like an entry long maybe here. I may consider it, but sus, very sus here. Jeez Louise. I said I was going to just take out the first retracement, but because I didn't take out the first retracement, I ended up losing on the whole thing on that trade. Whatever, rejection off key area, I'll try. Most likely lose this. We're in an uptrend. Clear uptrend, so most likely lose this trade, but we'll try here.
2,500 tick trap.
For the good risk reward that we can possibly get here, let's see. Top of a trading range, coming off the previous week's high. Made a full blown fail second entry long. We're in a strong uptrend. We're still within like the channel, so it makes it even worse short to take. In fact, the longs, the bulls, don't even want to trigger this. I'm surprised. Surprised they don't even want to trigger this because they can capture a lot more liquidity here. You get a lot more refilling here. Let's try here, whatever. 3 bars overlapping. Looking for a good risk reward here. Let's see if we can get it. Complete overlapping bars, making this trade even less probable. Because now we have this to deal with. This trading range to deal with. Looks bullish to me.
5-minute trap.
Looks really bullish to me now. Bulls are strong. Still in control here, looks like. Very strong move up. Okay, whatever. Whatever. I mean, whatever. Seriously, I don't. I don't know. It's every bar's overlapping. It's just crazy. This looks 5-minute looks crazy to me. I mean, I might as well just go short here, right? I don't know. Every breakout fails, but every failed breakout fails. It just keeps. Right? It has like a decent push up, strong bull bar ending on tide, absolute no follow through, fails to have follow through. Reverses. But that reversal goes nowhere. Doesn't follow through on the reversal either, and it goes right back up. Kind of crazy. This price action is just. It's a bit insane to me. It's a bit crazy to me. We're down 300. But I'm bewildered. Absolutely bewildered here. I was in so many long trades. So many long trades. God. What in the world is happening here? Okay, decent push down, but still above our trend line. No clue what's happening here. Failing to really break out of the previous week's high. Actually getting rejected off of this previous week's high. But we're still in uptrend.
$2,500 tick trap.
I don't know, pandas. What am I doing here? I have no clue. I mean, it's completely overlapping bars, so even if strong pushes up, doesn't mean much because you basically have all these pivots to stop you. I don't know, pandas. What do we do here? Am I looking to go long? Every single trade gets taken out, break even, and then blast off. Are they pretty different? Let me reload here. Why did I avoid outside bar signal bars? Because at the very least, their trading range is on a smaller time frame. So I don't like to have to deal with that. Ooh, it feels like I should long here. I guess. Should I just take it with two? Whatever.
$2,500 tick trap.
lose this trade. Whatever.
5-minute trap.
Whatever. I lose this trade. Whatever. My gosh. Because of this error, I'm gonna lose this trade altogether now. Because of that error, could not move my stop loss.
Target filled.
I'm out. I mean, it's just ridiculous. Pandas, I can't. When I see this happening, I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I don't want to stick around and find out. It's all good, Pandas. I'll take the hit. I mean, it's not even a hit. I'll take the small win, and that's it. I mean, I want to make a little bit of bamboo somewhere, but when you get a strong bull bar like this after 3 attempts down, I just I don't know what's happening, Pandas. This price action is not favorable.
$2,500 tick trap.
Five-minute trap.
2500 tick trap.
One time, pandas. One time. Here we go. Fail second entry long. Coming off the obvious top of a trading range. It's a pretty rare setup. I'll take the full risk. Let's get burned here. Why not? One time. Fail second entry long. Coming off the top of a trading range. And this is just skyrocketing back up here. No surprise. About to get stopped out here. All good. It's the best setup I've seen in a long time. It's a pretty good setup. Coming off the previous week's high, previous week's close. Top of a trading range. Super choppy. Making this seem more like it will chop more than keep going upwards. So I'm thinking it's coming back down. But, you know, what do you know? What else? What else do you expect other than get stopped out here on a good setup? On a day like today, it's just what should be expected. You know what I mean, pandas? You know what I mean? We'll take the hit though. We're taking the full risk, the appropriate risk here. And that's all it is. I'm trading large because of the setup being so good. Thinking we're gonna come back to the bottom of the trading range, or at least to the middle. Push down a little bit here, have a chance. With a failed second entry long like this, coming off of the top of these ranges here. Triple top here, basically, with a failed second entry long. On the 2500 tick chart, it's just a good setup. So I'm going to try here. If we don't get it, we don't get it. I will admit it does trigger above the 20 MA, which is a red flag. But we're going to just try here. See what happens. And if we lose, we lose. It's not the end of the world. It's truly not the end of the world, but it might be the end of my accounts almost here. My accounts are struggling here. I don't know if I'm going to make that fifth payout, pandas. The fifth payout is proving to be difficult. Last couple days have been very difficult. Very, very difficult. But, I don't know. Hopefully we can get a nice push down here. We'll see. It's quite a lot of risk. Maybe I traded too large. I was just hoping maybe one time we actually get a setup that works out. You know, at least once. But the risk is large. A little too large for 4 contracts, and I paid the price here. I should trade a little bit smaller. But absolutely pay the price here. It is what it is. Right, completely overlapping bars. It is what it is, man. I'll take the hit. Move on. It's unfortunate. Every single day. It's just absolute trash. Absolute trash every single day. We get a bounce off key areas. Thinking we'll get pushed back down. Doesn't happen. Obviously, just retraces, like completely retraces here. Super difficult to trade for me. Like super difficult to trade for me. Making lower highs, lower lows.
5
I mean, if
minute
this
trap.
trade works out, it's just gonna be a miracle. I just don't know. I don't know how it's gonna work out here. But we're pretty much dead here. We're pretty much dead. We are certainly dead here. Yep, we are absolutely dead here. Yeah, almost want to go long at this point. Pandas. We are most certainly dead here, and it is what it is. I'm gonna hold the appropriate risk here, just for the chance of possibly this working out in my favor. But the chances are like 10% chance it can work out. Maybe here, maybe less than 10, maybe 5% chance it'll work out here. Whatever. The days have been wacky. We got a strong bull bar on the 2500 tick chart. Hopefully this just reverses like all the other strong bull bars. No follow through. Hopefully we can actually get no follow through on this bull bar, because no follow through on all these bull bars. So hopefully when we actually want it, we'll get no follow through on a strong bull bar. It might actually be in our favor this time. Who knows though? Who knows? Nobody knows. I'm pretty certain I'm dead though. This is gonna blast off, isn't it? It's probably gonna give me like crazy slippage as well. It's giving me like insane slippage. Maybe give me like 10 points of slippage. Why not? Insult to injury. Why not? It's like up here is gonna give me slippage all the way up here. Something like that. Something wild. It is pushing back down. I don't know. What am I supposed to do here, pandas? What am I supposed to? Should I surrender? Hit the 500 hit? And expect this to bounce all the way back up pretty much at this point? I don't know. Complete trading range. Ugh. Complete trading range.
Target filled.
I mean, whatever, pandas. That is the scariest trade ever. Almost busting my accounts, essentially. But look at that, pandas. Like, if you let me come out break even on that trade after the strong bull bar, I'll take it. I'll take it. I mean, I just can go back to the bottom of the trading range, whatever. But that is the scary business. Crazy. 10% chance, really, to survive that. And I survived it somehow. Absolutely crazy. I'll take it, though. What in the world? I actually made a little bit of bamboo. Like, very little. Like, $20. But, I mean, whatever. I don't know. Crazy retracement. So scary. Trade is kind of working out, though, as it should. Just in a very, very, like, difficult way to hold. I don't know, man. That's like, what's my next move here? Oh, what's my next move? Yeah, it's just as hell. I mean, so many times I've regretted not coming out break even. Being down 273 is a plus today. It's a win, in my opinion, in my books. Ultimately, my trade works out, right? Fails like entry long. Top of the trading range. Key areas bouncing off of it. Previous week's high. Triple top. And we get a really good setup, but unfortunate, this is the candle that we get right after the setup triggers. I'm not like willing to hold it. If I come out break even, like I'm just as scared as this not having any follow through as, coming out break even and that having no follow through. Strong bear bar now. Like we actually gonna make the target I wanted to make. Super unfortunate that this is the price action we're getting. It's just too hard for me to hold through that. I'm going to just take the break even and live to fight another day. It's just too scary. I mean, if the market allows me to come out break even in this situation, I'm going to try. But this ends up having a big push down like I thought it would. I just wish it didn't have this strong bull bar. I wish that push down happened with this setup. I don't know what had to happen with this setup, but it did. It required this stupid setup, and that's why we're here. Pretty much break even today. Down a little bit, but. I might end it today. I don't know. This is absolute trash. Give me like 1 or 2 days of good price action. We can just kill it. We can absolutely kill it. 1 or 2 days. We can absolutely kill it, pandas. Every single day, if it's like this, it's just, I'm not going to lie, it's hard to make bamboo in days like today. Tomorrow's big news, so not surprised today is just so choppy. Not surprised so choppy. So it is what it is. Big push back up. So sick. What is this nonsense? So many Orloff bars. You have to have some serious cojones just to go short if it comes up here. Serious cojones. I'm gonna take one trade. Ooh. Big push down. I actually hoped it touched this trend line. That's what I was hoping for here. I'm just gonna try this. I'm gonna go short on a strong bull bar. Might as well. Right, strong bear bar gets reversed. Maybe strong bull bar gets reversed here. Let's try.
2500 tick trap. Ugh. Okay. Absolutely nothing happening here. Okay. Still shenanigans. Inside bar on the 5-minute chart. Hmm. Mm-hmm. 2500 tick trap.
Okay. it's an OI pattern, but on the day like today, these OI patterns, I don't think they mean much. They don't mean as much as they would on strong trend days, but be my guess taking this OI pattern, but choppy days like today, ain't it? It ain't it, pandas. It just ain't it. An OII pattern though. This is triangle. For 5 minute, if it gives an OII pattern, right, 2 inside bars in a row, just becomes a triangle, smaller time frame. Dumb day to trade. What can I say? Really, it was a stupid day to trade. See, days like today, it's like the reason why I don't like it. It's not even I'm down 273. I could care less being down $273, pandas. But the thing about days like today is just that there's no opportunity. You just waste a bunch of mental capital, waste a bunch of time and energy. And when it's this many days in a row, that's when it starts to be frustrating. This is about the third day now, fourth day in a row that days have been terrible, like absolute trash. And you can see my account suffering because of that. Pandas, don't forget to use code BBM for 80% off Apex and 40% off TPT. And it's a special deal because you get no activation fee. Plus, if you can get to withdrawal without resetting, you get refunded that the eval fee. Last trade I'm going to take a OII pattern on the 5 minute chart if it develops here. Not, then we move on. Looks like it's going to break out before we create the OII. Where is it? Very close to triggering the OII here, or the OI pattern, but now it's going to make an OII pattern here. I'll try, whatever. I know it's stupid, but I'll try. It's hard for me to pass up OIIs. If it doesn't create the OII, I'm ending the stream. If it creates the OII, I'll take the trade. Doesn't create the OII. Instead, breaks beneath early on. So we're going to end it there. Pandas. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember, there's news tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. And it's just BBM Big Black Money. Close enough. Yeah, it's Big Black Money. That's pretty good. Really good guess. That's exactly what that means. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Don't forget there's news at 8:30 a.m. Please mark your calendars, because if you're trading and that news hits, you're going to be shocked. All right, Pandas. With that being said, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.